Guys, me there I drink some breadfruit punch mixed with sweet potato. Now showing how me make it. And just but before me showing you guys, I want to give video a like. Yes man, like the video guys. Press like. I want to leave a comment down below and tell me one thing about these punch if you love them punch here. Or if you love punch overall. You see me? Cause this mixed with let me say breadfruit, sweet potato, um put a dragon in it, me put a peanut punch in it, me put cinnamon powder, vanilla, mixed spice, all them things spice it up. Yeah man. You know, well cool yet though. But I tell you, it bad. Guys, share the video to everybody when you feel like say whether interested to see them kind of video. Right, me I go and sip and I cheat I go and look out, you see me? Family IG, Jeff876 and Youngster Adventures. The link for the page them down below. So just scroll down, click it and give me a follow. On the two page them, you see me? Yes man. Nice guys. So me say, do right and support man. So I'm show them what I go on now, so look more. Alright guys, so see the sweet potato and the breadfruit here is already cut up and clean and all that. Just to boil it now. Yeah man. Feel I put a piece of my breadfruit tonight though. Yeah, and so you have cinnamon powder here. You have me oats. So you have a vanilla. What's again? Mixed spice, milk, a dragon, lasco, and I wanted the peanut, but I can't get none now, so I try the peanut punch tonight and see what I go and feed. And so that is. Yeah man, so put on this now, make it boil and then we link on the back. Guys, we don't cook it guys, it's half cook, so link up when you finish cook. Yeah man guys, I eat this now. So make this cool and then we blend out it. Alright guys, so it cool enough to blend now. As you can see, and much water tonight, so if I use the milk and such, the dragon and such to add the additional liquid to it. Yeah man, some people pick out the breadfruit and just use just the dragon and the supplement or whatever alone as the liquid in it. Guys, so I use some of the peanut punch. Not use all the time, man. So you can share it because much more than it. And the rest are breadfruit and something here. Alright guys. Okay, okay, thick and nice. Thick and nice. Don't know. And milky. And guys, so put a little bit of what's in it, so the last is the breadfruit and blend. I use dragon and blend this. So guys, man, start add the spices to it now. Yeah man. So as you see, I add the dragon already and the peanut punch, and guys, you can smell all the flavors now right now. Peanut punch, the vanilla, everything. Okay. Is it thick and nice guys? Thick. And we can add a little bit more water to it. Guys, see, still have the milk, the tea milk. Still have this putting the cinnamon powder and the lasco. Put nice same way. And nutmeg. See guys, I add the cinnamon powder now and the nutmeg. I can't show how I add the stuff into it because I'm here alone. I don't have about the flavor phone for me. You see me, so I can record and I do it at the same time, so I can't show you I add the stuff into it. But what I can do, I show everything I use. See, I go add the lasco now. So I use a blender and mix out the lasco in some water. Cause I don't know so if I throw in it, if I throw in the punch, same way, without mix it with some water, maybe get some lump in it. I mean, I want that, so best me just mix out it. So guys, I add some milk now, and I have to be careful when I add it now because I must say the lasco add a bit of sweetness to it already. So be careful what I'm doing. So I mix out this now and taste it.